Tired of your car's factory audio system sounding flat and uninspiring? Here are the 5 best options I've found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Bose Audio 616 UAB. The Bose Audio System's 616 UAB car stereo is an affordable, single-DIN option that really caught my eye with its sleek design. Priced at just $34.99, it's a great choice if you want a straightforward audio upgrade without breaking the bank. If you want a simple way to enhance your car audio experience, this is worth a serious look. This stereo offers Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calls and wireless music streaming, which is essential when you're on the road and want to stay connected. It also features USB and AUX inputs, allowing you to connect your smartphone effortlessly. The built-in AM/FM radio keeps you updated with your favorite stations. With over 1,000 units sold just last month, it's clearly popular among budget-conscious drivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having Bluetooth means you can switch between your music and calls without fumbling with your phone, enhancing your driving safety. Now, some people complained about the lack of a CD/DVD player. Here's the thing though. In today's digital age, many of us have moved on from physical media. If you primarily stream music or use your phone for calls, this isn't a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an inexpensive upgrade to your car's audio system without needing complex installation. Skip this one if you're set on having a CD player in your car. Honestly, for under $35, you get solid value for your money. Now, if the single-DIN setup of the Bose 616 UAB doesn't fit your style, the next option really steps up with a double-DIN design that offers more features. Product number 2. Kiss Sound 7-inch Double DIN. The Kiss Sound 7-inch Double DIN car stereo caught my attention with its modern features and user-friendly design. At $84.99, it balances performance and price well. If you want a smart, high-tech experience in your car, this one deserves a serious look. This unit supports both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, meaning your phone connects automatically as soon as you start the car. You can use voice commands to navigate, call, and even play your favorite music, which is a game changer for keeping your focus on the road. It boasts a powerful built-in DSP processor with 240 watts max output, ensuring your music sounds crisp and clear. The 7-inch IPS touchscreen display is vibrant and responsive, making it easy to use without distraction. With over 500 of these stereos flying off the shelves recently, it's clear people are excited about this tech. However, some users mentioned that the installation could be tricky, especially if you're not comfortable with car electronics. Here's the thing. While it might take a bit of effort, the features you gain with this stereo are well worth the hassle if you want top-notch connectivity and audio quality. This is perfect for tech-savvy drivers who want a seamless integration with their smartphones. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward setup without the bells and whistles. Considering the features it packs, this stereo offers excellent value. If the advanced tech of the Kiss Sound is too complicated for your needs, the next option brings a simpler solution to the table. Product number 3. Scosche GM2K-WP. We have the Scosche GM2K-WP Factory Stereo Replacement Interface Adapter. Priced at $49.10, this product is perfect if you want to retain your car's original functionalities while upgrading your stereo system. If you want to keep your steering wheel controls and enhance your audio experience simultaneously, this is worth a serious look. This adapter allows you to connect an aftermarket stereo to your car's factory wiring harness without the headache of complicated installations. It retains your steering wheel controls, which is essential for safe driving, and ensures you don't lose any of the original functionality of your vehicle. With 500 units sold last month, it's a trusted solution for many drivers. Here's why this matters for you. Having a straightforward installation means you can enjoy better audio without sacrificing the features you already love. Now, some users have pointed out that it only fits select GM vehicles from 2000 to 2013. Here's the thing though,
If you drive one of those models, the ease of integration and functionality it provides far outweighs this limitation. For other car owners, it might not be the right fit. This is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their audio without losing essential controls. Skip this one if you drive a vehicle outside that compatibility range. At this price point, it's a smart investment for the right users. Now, if the Scotia's compatibility isn't a match for you, the next product might just be your perfect fit with an all-in-one unit.
Product number 4. The Bose 820BRGB. The Bose Audio System's 820BRGB car stereo stands out with its flashy design and impressive features. At $54.99, it offers a great mix of style and functionality. If you want a stereo that not only sounds good but also looks good, this is worth a serious look. This double-din unit features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to answer calls and stream music without distractions. It also has multicolor illumination with over 16 million color combinations, which is perfect for setting the mood in your car. The 60 watts x 4 max power output means your music will fill the cabin with rich sound. With over 300 units sold in recent months, it's clearly a favorite for those looking to upgrade their car audio experience. Here's why this matters for you. Having customizable lighting can make your car feel like a personal space, enhancing your driving experience. However, a few customers mentioned that the sound quality could be lacking compared to higher-end models. Here's the thing. If you're looking for a stylish upgrade and are okay with a little compromise on sound quality, this stereo delivers fantastic value. This is perfect for those who appreciate aesthetics as much as sound quality. Skip this one if you're an audiophile looking for the richest audio experience. For just under $55, it's a stylish upgrade for your car. If the Bose 820BRGB's sound isn't quite what you're looking for, the final product brings the best of both worlds. Product number 5. Bose 750BRGB. We have the Bose Audio System's 750BRGB car stereo, which offers a fantastic blend of features for just $55.99. If you're after a single DIN stereo that can do it all while adding a splash of color to your dashboard, this is worth a serious look. This unit includes Bluetooth for hands-free calling and music playback, allowing you to keep your focus on the road. It also features a CD player for those who still enjoy physical media, alongside USB and AUX inputs for maximum compatibility. The multicolor illumination feature lets you create a mood with over 16 million color combinations, making it a fun addition to your ride. With 300 units purchased last month, it's gaining traction among drivers looking for versatility. Here's why this matters for you. Having a CD player means you don't have to part with your favorite discs, while Bluetooth keeps things modern. However, some users have expressed that the sound output could be better compared to more expensive models. Here's the thing. If you mainly listen to radio or streaming music, this stereo provides great value without needing to break the bank. This is perfect for anyone who wants a versatile audio system with a classic touch. Skip this one if you're a serious audiophile needing top-tier sound quality. At this price point, you get a lot of features for your money. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Kiss Sound 7-inch double DIN because of its incredible tech features and ease of use. Avoid the Bose 820BRGB if you're looking for top audio quality, as it may not meet those high standards. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.